enjoy the 1080p experience with Iqiyi TV. Have access to high definition videos. Smooth experience. And you want me to switch the subtitles, and of course, enjoy the double Atmos home theater experience. What do? You have to install it. So the first thing you need to do is, don't forget we're using the Samsung TV here. So what you do is that you click the home button on your remote to go into the home page. Then you see the option for apps on the left. So go to that's how you click on it. Once you click on the apps option, it take you to the app store, just like this. You can see. And then within the app store, click on the search at the top for IQIYI, and you will find the app. Then download it. Once you downloaded it, this is the app, downloaded it. Then you can easily find it on apps, or you can click the up button, select add to home. So you see it apps, you see it among them, recent apps, or you can just simply click the up button, select add to home. Then that's it. You click on it and you start your enjoying your experience. So enjoy those animations, those animes, enjoy those videos, those dramas, and the rest of them. Hope you found this video helpful.